I lost my peak once again. Oh, it's here. Hey yo, what's up? My name is Stanny Teach and I'm here today to explain to you how to play FKJ new song with MASEGO. It's called Tadow. No, I know this is not a new song. I bet you're like going to the comments, hey, you stupid, that song is not new. But yeah, it's one of my favorite songs and I love to play it on the guitar, so I'm here to explain to you step by step how to play it. Exactly, I don't know how to speak because I'm Portuguese and this channel is Portuguese, but I'm trying to do more videos in English because I love you. I love you all. I love you all and I want to make a lot of content for you all. So, like I was saying, this is not an easy song, but I bet you can play this song because I will teach you step by step. This is actually very accurate. This is like exactly how he plays. And I will play it on the acoustic because most people have an acoustic guitar, not an electric guitar. My electric guitar is over there, but I will teach you how to play it on the acoustic, and it's even harder to play on the acoustic. And you'll do an arpeggio, so you'll play with your thumb, you'll play the 5th string, and then with your 3 fingers you will go down with them from the 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then go up again. Okay? Now with your, don't take this shape off, you only move your middle finger and put it in the 6th fret, 6th string of the 12th fret, and play 6th string, 4th string, 3rd string, okay, like this. Now you're going to go down with your middle finger, just 1 fret down, like to the 11th fret, okay? Okay, and then do exactly the same thing you did before. So 6th string, 4th string, 3rd string, but now with your middle finger in the 11th fret. Don't remember. Don't remember. Don't forget. I'm so stupid. Yes. Stupid. So the next chord is actually a D minor 7 chord. Okay. I will play it like this, but you can play it in other ways. So I will put my thumb in the 10th fret of the 6th string, okay? And I will do a mini bar, okay? Not like in the hotels, like a mini bar with your finger, bar from the 4th string down, okay? Bar. And I will do 6th string, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Okay, so. And you can do actually the same chord but without the thumb, like this. Okay? Some people think it's easier this way, some people think it's easier this way, some people think it's easier this way, okay? You can do the 3 ways. So, from the beginning, wait. Yeah. See, you can do it like this or... Okay. Now we're going to do like inversion, okay? Okay. This is normally used in neo soul and R&B vibes, likewise. So you do a mini bar over here in the 10th fret from the 4th string down, and then you do an hammer-on with your 3rd finger in the 12th fret in the 1st string. So you play it. Okay? And then you pull it. Like I was saying, this is a cool song to play on the electrical guitar, not in the acoustic guitar, okay? Now with your pinky, this is a very hard move. You will do the same hammer-on pull-off, but here in the 13th fret in the 2nd string. Okay, so with this, so practice really slow and then accelerate and get used to it, okay? Get comfy with it. Okay, the key. Okay, now the second time around you will do exactly the same thing. And you'll do this without, instead of doing this, you will do this. Okay, so this is an hammer-on from in the 4th string from the 10th fret till the 12th, and then pull off, and then you do a slide from the 12th to the 14th. But if you are a little bit more advanced, you pull the 5th string and the 4th string at the same time, and bar the 10th fret, okay, and then you do an hammer-on only with the 4th string. So all the way it sounds like this. So this is the loop. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. This is a cool guitar thing to play on the guitar, but like I said, it's easier to play on an electric, and I will show you. You see, it's a lot smoother. My electric guitar, it's my baby blue. Comment baby blue if you like it down below. Hey. So this is a dry electrical. I am not putting any effects on it, just to show you the difference, okay? Okay, so if you build your speed up, it will sound like this. So this is without delay, without reverb, without nothing. Imagine if it has delay, reverb. It's the most beautiful song ever. So if you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, comment below one suggestion of song that you would love me to teach you, and let's be friends. Hey, let's be friends forever. Yeah, I'm still here, so if you're still here watching this video after I plug the camera off, I would like to say that I love you so much. Yeah, please have a good 2021 and enjoy life and be happy. Yes.
Danny Ditch.